I am your storyteller, and tonight I bring you a story that should never have been remembered, let alone told in the dark. But tell me, where are you from, listener? Leave your country in the comments below if you dare.
The town of Redford was unremarkable, a quiet place where people lived predictable lives. School, work, football games, and weekend bonfires. But beneath its ordinary facade, there was something else. Something lurking in whispers passed down, through generations. It centered around one place, the old bridge. The bridge had stood for centuries, its weathered stones scarred by time. By day, it was nothing more than a path leading to the abandoned mill road. By night, it was something else entirely. The legend was just a game to the teenagers of Redford until the night of the dare. Tyler, Matt, Sophie, and Ava stood on the riverbank as the last light of day faded. Laughter masked their unease, but the weight of the stories pressed against them like an unseen force. "Bet you won't go down to the lake tonight," Tyler taunted. Matt smirked. "Why don't you? You're always talking about ghosts." Sophie's voice cut through the tension. "Let's do it." They made their way to the bridge, the air thick with humidity. Crickets hummed, the wind whispering through the trees, but beneath it all, something felt off. Matt was the first to see it, a flicker of white beneath the water's surface. At first, just a shimmer, like moonlight on the rippling lake. But then, it moved. A woman. Her face pale, her expression blank. Long blackened hair fanned around her like ink dissolving in water, and she was looking directly at them. "Guys, look," Matt whispered. They all turned, their breath catching as they saw her. The woman's lips parted as if speaking, but no sound came. Then, she was gone. The water stilled as if she had never been there. Ava shivered. "Okay. That was freaky. Let's go." As they turned to leave, the wind howled, and the bridge groaned as if alive. The air grew icy, and then she was there. Not in the water, but standing on the bridge. Her face was clearer now, pale, sunken, with hollow eyes that pulled in all light. Her mouth moved, forming words that never came. The ground trembled beneath them. "Run!" Matt screamed. They ran. Through the trees, past the riverbank, not stopping until they reached town. The feeling of being watched never left them. The next morning, they realized the truth. The stories weren't just legends. They were warnings, one by one. The signs appeared. Sophie glimpsed shadows moving in mirrors. Tyler felt cold fingers brush his neck at night. Matt's reflection no longer followed his movements. Ava heard her name whispered from the empty darkness. And the lake, it was never still anymore. Something beneath it had awakened, and it was waiting. Some stories are meant to be told. Others are meant to be warnings. The bridge in Redford still stands. The lake beneath it still waits. And those who disturb its silence never truly escape.